You know, if you're considering penis enlargement surgery, then the one thing you want to make sure is that your penis enlargement is carried out safely and professionally. How can you make your penis enlargement safe? Well, the first thing is make sure that it's performed by a qualified urologist. Urologists are experts in male genital surgery. The second thing is to make sure that your operation is carried out in a Care Quality Commission registered private hospital. And thirdly, make sure that you have good quality aftercare. When you've had your operation, you need to make sure that everything is taken care of in case there are any complications or any other treatment you need after the operation. Consider those three facts and you should find a good surgeon and a good environment in which to have penis enlargement surgery. You know, at Moorgate Andrology, we have a team of urologists and all our surgery is carried out in Care Quality Commission private hospitals. We offer unlimited aftercare to all our patients through our own dedicated patient care team. If you want to find out more about penis enlargement at Moorgate, please give us a call and arrange a consultation with one of our urologists. That's all from me today. I look forward to seeing you soon here at Moorgate. Until then, bye for now.